Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make oatmeal with water. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1/2 cup of rolled oats and 1 cup of water. Also, grab a small saucepan and a spoon. This recipe is incredibly straightforward, making it perfect for a quick and healthy start to your day. It's a foundational breakfast that you can easily customize to your taste. Once you have your ingredients ready, pour the 1/2 cup of rolled oats and 1 cup of water into your small saucepan. Place the saucepan on the stove and bring the mixture to a gentle boil over medium-high heat. As soon as it starts boiling, reduce the heat to low. Let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. During the simmering process, stir your oatmeal occasionally. This helps achieve a creamy texture and prevents it from sticking to the bottom. Once it reaches your desired consistency, remove the saucepan from the heat. Let it sit for just 1 minute. This allows it to thicken slightly. Now, it's ready to serve. Feel free to add your favorite toppings like fresh fruit, nuts, or a touch of maple syrup. Here are a few tips to perfect your oatmeal. If you prefer a creamier texture, try using a little less water or cooking it for an extra minute or two. If you have any leftovers, they can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. And speaking of easy meals, make sure to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious and healthy homemade oatmeal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.